Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can return an order in Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Return items on Shopify as a customer involves following the return process set by the Shopify store you purchased from. Here's a detailed guide on how you can return items. Steps for customers to return items on Shopify. Check the store's return policy. Before initiating a return, it's essential to check the store's return policy. Each Shopify store has its own return policies regarding timeframes, eligible products, and conditions for returns, such as whether items must be unused in original packaging, etc. Look for the return policy on the store's website, usually in the footer or frequently asked questions section. Review details such as the return window, whether they offer refunds or exchanges, and if there is any exceptions. Contact the store's customer support. Most Shopify stores require you to contact their customer support to initiate a return. You can usually find contact information in the Contact Us or Help section of the website. Reach out to the store via email, chat, or contact form. Provide the following details: your order number, the items you want to return, and the reason for the return. Request a return shipping label. Depending on the source policy, they may offer prepaid return shipping label or might need to cover the return shipping cost yourself. After that, you just have to pack and ship the items, wait for the confirmation, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.